How to fix Telegram bot not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can fix if the bots are not working on your Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is established. If you have weak or no internet, the bot may not be able to function properly. But if that's not your case, try to restart the Telegram application once. Complete the Telegram app completely and restart it. This can help resolve any temporary issue or glitches with the bot. But if that still does not help you, now what you can do is open up Telegram in your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're here, tap on the three line at the top left corner and then tap on settings. Now under settings, scroll down a bit and then go to data and storage. Once you're here at the top section under disk and network usage, tap on storage usage. And here tap on clear cache. Then again tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared all the cache, this might clear any type of glitches or bugs in your application, which will help you fix if your bots are not working properly. Now you can go back and your bots will now work properly in your Telegram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.